Today episode that Ika is not Igbo, neither Ika is Edo. Today we are going to learn part of the body, what they call it in Ika language. Hair, intutu, head, ishi.
Hello, people. How are you doing? I watched a video by Namen TV. During one of his, he goes about unifying the Igbo people, which is a great thing. And during one of his Unify Igbo projects, he met with people in River State, and he was like, "Okay, tell us what you call this in Igbo, and we will tell you what we call our own." And he asked the guy, "Do you know about the Igbo people?" The guy said, "Yes." He said, "What do you think about your relationship with the Igbo people?" The guy said, "Oh, we are not Igbos, but they said our language looks alike." Can you imagine? He never knew Igbos have various dialects. He was thinking, "Oh, this language just look like Igbos." And that is a problem. Some are not aware that they speak the same thing, a variation of what we speak. So, when you hear Obi Igbo in Port Harcourt, it's supposed to be the center of Igbo land. But can you imagine? They said, we had our language looks alike. No, not that it looks alike, but it's a dialect. We speak various dialects. That is just it. Now I'm going to show you a video. A lady is saying in that video she's neither Igbo nor Edo. She doesn't claim any of this. You know, they are beginning to distance themselves from this Edo ancestor. I told a lot of them that Edo only wielded power over them, as in maybe olden days, this warlord kind of a thing. They are not from Edo. They are not from Benin. They have no relationship. Edo had influence, as in they are people involved in wars, but not that other people came from them. And they're beginning to distance. But this particular lady do not identify with Igbos. Can you imagine? She's still doubting. Now she mentioned certain part of the bodies and in her own dialect. And she wanted us to know if it rhymed with any of that of Bini or the Igbo people. Now I'll play her video to you and we'll be right back.
In today's episode that Ika is not Igbo, neither Ika is Edo. Today we are going to learn part of the body, what they call it in Ika language. If people that are dragging that Ika is Igbo or Ika is Bini, Igbo is from where and Edo is from where? Anyway, we say Ejigba kweson anori ofia asa. Iye ka ho ya ka no ho awon ya po say mewe ni. Ya to ya po ha no say ya wonya or say ya won kere po mba. We say mewe ni. So today we are going to learn part of the body, what they call it in the car. So we are starting hair, intutu, head, ishi, eye, enya, eyelashes, empupu enya, nose, imi, mouth, ọnụ, teeth, eze, tongue, ire, ear, ntị, jaw, agba, cheek, ntị, neck, olu, shoulder, ishubu, hand, ẹ̀ka, finger, mkpịsị aka, palm, ọbẹ aka, chest, obi, breast, ẹran, armpit, ẹ̀bùn, stomach, ẹ̀fọ́, navel, otume, waist, ukwu, laps, ọrùnkùn, VG and pre, amu, ọhịụ, yash, ike, anus, atụ ike, knee, ịkpụ toes, mkpịsị ụkwụ. So kidney, omeji, liver, mara, intestine, ekere, efo, heart, akpobi. So we have a lot of them. You can still write your own on the comment section. So, like I said, Ika is Ika. Ika is not Igbo. Ika is not Edo. Ika is Ika. Ezigbo efa ya kwesan. Anori ofe azo. Ya hane na azenyi. But we not go green.
Hello, have you had her? She's not aware that the language she speaks is just a dialect of the Igbo, but she thought this is her own language. No. Meanwhile, we are not compelling anybody, but we have a lot of people from those areas that identify as Igbo. So don't tell us to live there. No, we are not going to live there. A lot of them identify with us. A lot of them contact me and tell me, you are not talking about us. We are one. So I have an obligation to talk about them. And not because they called on me, but because they speak what I speak. And if you look at her own pronunciations, it's like Ebonyi. When we use some of it, for example, when we say Aka, Ebonyi uses some part of Ebonyi. Eka, they are the same. Aka, Eka, Anya, Enya. You had that? Now I will do my own in my own dialect of Igbo, and we will see if there are differences. If there are differences, it is only slight, and that is still what we call variations because of dialect. When you move from here to here, you see differences. But Igbo is Igbo. Now, still on part of the body. Head is isi. Now, she talked about hair. Ntutu. Eye is anya. Eyelashes. Nkuku anya. Nose, imi. Mouth, ono. Teeth, eze. Tongue, ire. Ear, nti. Jaw, aba. I hope you listen to her. Let's continue. Cheek. Nti. Cheek is nti, sorry. Neck, onu. Hand, aka. Then finger, mkpisi aka. You listen to her, what she was saying. Then palm, oba aka. Same thing. Chest, obi. Breast, ala. Armpit, abu. Stomach, afo. Navel, she called navel abdomen. Meanwhile, it is utubo. Now, west, uku. Now, laps. She said, oloku, nol, we call it a nol. Another part can call it another. She mentioned the private person. I don't want to talk about that, but it's the same. Then she said, nyash, ike. Ni, iperoku. Toes, mpesioku, the toes. Then kidney. You hear when your father's cut, we don't normally see our kidney, so we may not be able to. We hardly mention it, but you hear when we dissect chickens, our father say, "Wabuta umejuanu." Then when they talk about the intestine, they say mbiriafo. So what you see is slight variations. The same pronunciation almost. Like I told you, everyone uses E most of the time in place of A. Aka becomes Eka. Anya becomes Enya. So that is it. At least you had her and you had me too. The only difference is slight. It is the same language, but different dialects. And I want to tell our people something. It is like an advice. Let's stop saying the Southeast gave back to these people. Let's call them brothers. Most of them wants to identify with that. I've listened to Kwani people on their program. They don't want. I see there's a slight contention. They don't want to say Igbos gave back to Kwani. They say, why not we accept that Okwane gave birth to Igbo? Meanwhile, what unifies us is that language. Igbo we speak. Igbo we speak. So stop saying we give birth to this or they give. No, just say we are brothers. And truly we are brothers and sisters. We are related. And that is it. Thanks for watching. I'll bring you more of this. Remember, this is Igbo Area TV. Share this video widely, please. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't. Bye-bye for now.